Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 33. Use the map below to answer question 32 and 33. This is the map showing the map of Nigeria with areas around the Natural Plateau region as X, areas around Anambra and Enugu as Y, and some other area as Z. Now, the major environmental problems associated with the area marked Y is A. Insect pest, B. Gully erosion, C. Oil production, D. Drought. So here we are supposed to identify the problem. So what problem is this area? This is the area marked Y. You can see Y here. This is Y. So this area in Nigeria, as we all know, if this is the map of Nigeria, we have the west, the east, and the north. Now this area in the east is the area of having the states of Anambra and Enugu. Now we know that the major problem in Anambra and Enugu is gully erosion. That's the major problem there. If we had picked around here, it would have been oil production. Up here, drought. North is drought. Down south is oil production in the River State area. You understand? So this area marked Y is Anambra and Enugu is normally gully erosion. Now, Enugu is famous for coal, as we all know. However, the method of coal mining leaves the area susceptible to gully erosion. Gully erosion is the removal of salt. What is this gully erosion? It is actually the removal of soil along drainage lines. That is what gully erosion is. The removal of soil along drainage lines by surface water runoff. So when you have the drainage line being drained of east soil due to surface water movement, we have what we call gully erosion. Once started, gullies will continue to be moved by headway erosion and by slumping of the side walls unless steps are taken to stabilize the disturbance. So this area is actually the area of Anambra and Enugu, and the major problem there is gully erosion, and that's why option B is the right answer for this problem. Thank you.